Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our install videos to you guys. So what we've been working on is a VW T5. We've added quite a few upgrades to this particular vehicle, including the brand new Alpine Halo 9, which is their flagship radio. So it gives a single DIN aperture and it allows for a 9-inch touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay, digital radio, as well as Android Auto. A really cool solution for those of you who are looking to get that larger screen into a car that before you didn't have the option to do so in. So if you're looking into this system, it's a really good option for the T5 and T6, mostly because of the fact that we can control what angle we put the screen in at. Reduces all the glare that is a big complaint on the T5s and T6s, so counters that completely and really effectively. So that's all done on the permanent fixing upon date of installation, but we choose that with you so we can go through exactly how you want that angled. The unit itself allows for HDMI output, and we've also integrated a camera into this system as well. The main thing with T5s and T6s is that we've actually managed to integrate the heating controls through onto the new Alpine screen, which is a really nice solution for full functionality and OEM look. So what we're going to be doing is showing you inside the vehicle, showing you the Alpine Halo 9 head unit, showing you that the fact that you can integrate fully the heating controls. We'll also show you reversing camera functionality and how that looks. And we've also retained the factory parking sensors, audible plus visual alert on the main unit. So this unit is really something special. It's becoming more and more popular for us because of the fact it's a single DIN and it allows for a 9-inch screen. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. What we've also done on this particular vehicle is added in 2 roof screens in the back. That allows for full functionality for HDMI as well as iPod connectivity and iPhone connectivity through your phone. So what this customer wanted was to have 2 different screens, but also both be able to play straight from an iPhone. So these are slightly older screens that we installed a couple of years ago, and now we've adapted them for the new iPhone. So we've used a HDMI to Lightning adapter, running HDMI cables down, and that allows you to plug in your phone and view the footage straight through the screens. One of the cool things as well that we've added into this vehicle is additional charging points. So we've added those in particular vehicles that this customer wanted. So we can do as many of those as you like, and they're all a cigarette lighter socket. We can design that and have them flush mounted into panels like we've done in this particular vehicle. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. Our contact details will all be posted below, as well as all our social media links for Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. But thank you very much for watching our short video on this VW T5 and the Alpine Halo 9 radio that we've integrated into this vehicle. So thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your T5 and T6 soon. Thank you.